It's your birthday, birthday, birthday. Wanna say happy birthday, birthday, birthday. It's your birthday, birthday, birthday. Wanna say happy birthday, birthday, birthday. Yeah, in a new outfit, party all night, you know we don't quit. VIP, poppin' models, girls in here looking like models in they best, nothing less. All my friends on the right and the left, we gon' dance, everybody moving, DJ spinning that good music. Party over here, letting over that off, standing up straight, looking kinda like a scarecrow. Like whoa, it goes down, do it at home when we do it out of town. Move over, we finna take over. Are you hurting? You look a little older. I'm just playing, I'm just kidding. It's your birthday, you better get with the bitch. Your birthday, birthday, birthday. Can I say happy birthday, birthday, happy birthday? It's your birthday, birthday, birthday. Can I say happy birthday, birthday, happy birthday? Look, she drinking, probably caught her thinking. It's okay, she with her girls. It's your birthday, it's your world. Hair did, nails done. Ain't been up for a while, wanna have some fun. She freaking, wanna get it on. Then she yell out, this my song. It's her song, sipping new rose. She in her own universe like Pluto. Look, hella drink in the building. Looking sexy, got the sexual healing. And the dudes is watching. Look, they lightweight jogging. Get it, girl, tonight's your night. You can't go wrong, cause girl, you got your birthday. Can I say happy birthday, birthday, happy birthday? It's your birthday, birthday, birthday. Can I say happy birthday, birthday, happy birthday? It's more than going to the club, eating cake, sipping on bud. What about people showing love? House party, everybody showing up. Yeah, that's how we do. We gotta get it in at the park barbecue, giggling and laughing. Make sure your body be cracking. No matter the time, Christmas or spring break. Feel me? It's your birthday. Get loose, drink a little Grey Goose. Get a new outfit, what about the shoes? Hop on a plane, take a little trip. Relax, unwind a little bit. For your friends and your family. Happy birthday.
Yeah!